You just can't go wrong with a long nose American Pete for you. 2014 388 air ride cab starting you off. Cummins horsepower under the hood at 450 out of a 15-liter 10-speed Fuller. Behind it for you, it does have a PTO on it for a fuel transfer pump. 40,000 pound rears of the power divider. Let's take a walk around. Nose and cab looking pretty good. Aluminum wheels up front, both sides for you. Little step box, a little storage for you. Tires looking okay. Got some life left on them. Airbags holding air. Fifth wheel doing what it does. Frame looks pretty clean on this one. Rear aluminum's also, I believe, inner and outer. Decent sized fuel tank. DEF underneath the driver's cab. Go ahead, stick your head inside. Air ride cab. AC present but not working on this one. One marker light out, washers, wiper, good, fan blowers all right, city horn doesn't work, ABS light is not on, check engine light is on, 80% brakes in the rear, 60 in the front. Pretty nice cab on this side as well, flat back for you. We do have some extended cab options for those bigger guys out there like me who don't fit in these regular cabs. So give us a call, come on by, check it out. Lots of options coming in right here at Arthur Trovey and Sons. Come on by, tell us what you're doing. We love to hear your story.